Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie. So in today's video I'll be going ahead and sharing with you my skincare repurchases or skincare routine that I have been following constantly. I have actually dealt with severe acne in the past, but over the few years I have kind of built up a skincare routine. I am not saying that my skin is completely perfect. There's a lot of things that goes into it. I mean, you have to take into consideration your diet, your how you manage your stress, your hormones, and all of this thing. If you want to see what all products do I have in my skincare routine, then please keep on watching till the end. And now without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So the first product in my skincare routine has to be this particular cleansing balm. This is the Plum Illuminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm, and if you have watched my previous videos, you might have come across this particular cleansing balm. This is one product that I have constantly been using, and it has been like a constant purchase in my skincare routine. This particular cleansing balm actually melts your makeup so beautifully, and again, I usually prefer wearing waterproof mascaras. It also goes ahead and takes away my waterproof mascara very beautifully. So the second step in my skincare routine is using a micellar water. This is the Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Cleansing Water. All I do is use a microfiber cloth and pour a little of this micellar water and just remove the cleansing balm and the makeup and everything, and it actually makes my skin feel squeaky clean. Even on the days when I don't wear makeup, I make sure to use this particular micellar water to take off the sunscreen, because I use sunscreen on a regular basis, and it is advised that you shouldn't sleep with your sunscreen on your skin. So the third step in my skincare routine has to be using an enzyme scrub, and this is the YoGlow enzyme scrub from Wishful. And let me tell you that I don't use this on an everyday basis in my skincare routine. I use this at least once in 2 weeks. So it kind of helps with the texture on my skin. Right, the fourth step in my skincare routine is using a good clay mask. I have here the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask, and this is again my second jar of this particular clay mask. Again, this works beautifully if you have acne prone skin and if you have textured skin and you need something that can make your skin feel really squeaky clean. This is something that you can get your hands on. However, right now they have actually changed their packaging, and I think the new packaging or the color of the packaging is more what do you call it, attractive than this. After I'm done with my mask, I usually go in with a face wash. I usually use the Himalaya face wash. You can use any face wash because I don't know, it's just a feeling that I have that when I'm taking off my clay mask, I need to make sure that my skin is squeaky clean and I don't have any traces of the clay mask, because then again I will be going in with some skincare products. So once I'm done with my face mask, I have been into toners lately, and these are the two toners that I have been constantly using. This is like my second bottle of this particular toner. This is the Dot & Key Cica Calming Toner, if I'm not wrong, and I am almost over with this. Then again, I also go in with this particular toner. This is the Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide Toner. Again, I switch between these two products. When I think my skin is acting up a little and I'm gonna go ahead and get few breakouts, that is when I go in with this particular toner, because it actually helps with my acne. This particular toner gives a little bit of tingling sensation to your skin, so just wanted to put it out there in case if you are planning to get your hands on this toner. But on the other hand, this particular toner from Plum is very calming on the skin. Once I'm done toning my skin, I always go in with this particular product, which is the Minimalist Niacinamide 10% Serum. This is one constant product in my skincare routine ever since I have had acne, and this particular product or this ingredient in general niacinamide as an ingredient in your skincare helps a lot with your skin. If you are dealing with acne or dull skin or like uneven skin tone, I think niacinamide is the solution. So you can definitely look into it, and I don't think niacinamide has any side effects, but you can definitely do your own research because everyone's skin is different. But I also have been using the Plum rice water and niacinamide serum 10%. This again is a very good niacinamide serum. If you don't want to go in with the minimalist, I would definitely suggest or recommend you to go in with the Plum niacinamide serum. This again has rice water in it, which kind of helps with the brightening of the skin. So the last step that I follow in my skincare routine is using this particular essence. This is the Advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence. I always use this as my last step in my skincare routine to seal and lock everything that I have applied on my skin. And these are like my ride or die products. And this is how my skin looks after all of the skincare routine that I have done on my skin. Now I'm ready to go to bed and have a good night's sleep. That is all I have for you in today's video, and I hope you liked watching this video. And if you did like it, then please give this video a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me. I will be going ahead and listing all of the products in the description box below that I have mentioned in today's video, so you can definitely check that out. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.